In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Zoho Mail not receiving emails. 2025. If messages are arriving late or seem to be missing, it's often a notification issue rather than an actual delivery problem. Today, we'll make sure Zoho Mail is set to alert you the moment a new email hits the folders you care about, using desktop notifications. Start by opening Zoho Mail in your web browser and signing in. Keep the tab open as you follow along. The goal is to get reliable instant alerts so you don't overlook messages that are already in your account. Next, click the gear icon to open settings. You'll find it in the top right of the Zoho Mail interface. This is where we can control which folders can trigger alerts and how those alerts appear on your desktop. Inside settings, open the folders section. Choose the folder where you want to receive notifications. Most people start with the inbox. If you use filters or rules, remember that some messages may be auto-moved into other folders. In that case, select those folders too, because notifications are set on a per folder basis in Zoho Mail. On the folder's details page, look for the option labeled New Mail Notification and turn it on. This tells Zoho Mail to generate alerts when a message lands specifically in this folder. It's a common step people miss, which is why new emails can appear silently. Now go to the notifications section in settings. This is the central place to manage how alerts reach you, and it ensures the folder settings you just changed can actually show up as desktop notifications. Choose desktop notifications and enable them. Your browser may prompt you to allow notifications for Zoho Mail. Click Allow. If you don't see a prompt, check your browser's site permissions using the padlock icon near the address bar and make sure notifications are allowed. Keep in mind that your operating system's Do Not Disturb or Focus Assist can mute alerts, and your browser needs to remain open and signed in for notifications to appear. That's it. From now on, when a message arrives in the folders you enabled, you should see a desktop banner and possibly hear a sound depending on your system settings. Repeat these changes for any additional folders that receive important mail through filters, and leave non-essential folders off if you prefer fewer interruptions. Here's a quick recap. Open Zoho Mail, go to Settings, choose your folder, enable New Mail Notification, then open Notification Settings and turn on Desktop Notifications. With these changes, you'll address the most common reason people think emails aren't arriving in Zoho Mail. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you stay on top of every important message.